You ever wake up in the morning? Thank goodness that I do. But do you ever wake up in the morning feeling guilty about the previous day, or perhaps even feeling guilty about your life because you set these big, audacious goals, and as soon as you stumble, you just quit? Do you know what you want in life, and do your actions match that? If not, we need to stop that madness and stop the guilt associated with it. You know, at some point in life, you just get tired of the bullshit. You just want the truth. You just want what's real. Decide what matters in life and focus on that. We created a workshop, it's called Wake Up Call, to help us understand how and what to do to accomplish that. You know, one thing that will not happen, though, if you attend this workshop, you will not walk away feeling guilty about who you are. You have no hope of changing the past, so you need to stop living in it. Decide what matters in your life and focus on that. You owe it to yourself to find out more. And I'll say that again, you owe it to yourself to find out more. This workshop can help in many aspects of your life, especially your business. This could be your wake-up call.